Watch that glass.
So what's up to my gang? What's up to my squad? And I'm back again with another video. Y'all about to go on the water. Oh. Y'all up underwater. Let's go. Reporting live on the freeway. We walking. It's flooded everywhere. We're on Christmas Street, Martin Luther King Boulevard, Holmes Road. Even the security guard stranded. Uh-oh. What's the matter, people? What's the matter? What's the matter, people? What's the matter, baby? What's up with you, baby? We reporting live, baby. What's up, baby? We reporting live, baby. I hope my camera don't break. People riding on the opposite side of the freeway. People riding on the opposite side of the freeway. This flooded. Flooded. Come on, mama. Look. Look at beautiful Houston. Not so beautiful now. Not so beautiful now. It's real out here, cuz. It's real out here. Come on! Come on! Come on! It's real out here, folks. It's real out here. It's flooding on the freeway. It's real out here. You heard me? It's real out here. You heard me? It's real out here. One play game. And if the audio is bad, please excuse me because my camera wrapped up in a plastic bag or saran wrap or whatever you want to call it. It's wrapped up in that, so excuse the audio. Come on, there's no turning back. We're so fast walkers. Look, the Metro bus. I'm riding on the opposite side of the freeway. Metro bus.
We gonna ride the Metro.
We gonna ride the Metro. Metro on the opposite side of the freeway. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him on the opposite side of the freeway. The gang squad. Hey. Woo!
Like, why we bullshit? People recording our ass. Look at these dumb motherfuckers walking.
The Uber driver. It's flooding. Y'all wanna go underwater? Y'all wanna go underwater? Go underwater. Y'all went up underwater. Oh, I am soaking wet. Look at the bomb picking up stuff off the freeway.